Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 8th of July and I've selected currencies already. The currency pair we'll be talking about today is the New Zealand dollar and USD. So we can see for the past 24 hours, there are 23 articles towards it. In sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling negative and the subjectivity is currently loading as usual. If it's closer to zero, which is currently 38%, that means people are being more rational. In trend analysis, the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 5.32%, which is a lot. That means USD is getting stronger. So above the chart, they're saying short-term rebound. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is below the 20 days and 50 days moving average. However, it is on top of the pivot point of 0.6890, which is why they think that there will be a rebound. In the comment section, the RSI is above its neutral area at 50 and the MACD is negative and above its signal line. So the MACD must break through the zero level to trigger further gain. Moreover, as mentioned, they are both below the 50 and 20 days moving average. Below, it's a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like today's video. If you do, please don't forget to press the like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook, YouTube, so you won't miss out any of future videos. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading day. Bye.